Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new series in Java. In this series, we'll be exploring everything from the basics of Java to advanced programming concepts. This series is divided into three: part one, part two, and part three. And so, in part one, here are the concepts we'll be covering. We'll be covering variables and primitive data types, operators and casting, conditional statements, understanding iteration, working with arrays. And the last part of this part is going to be const method. So for each topic, for each concept that we cover, we'll be having exercising and projects. So it's not that you just learn the concept without seeing how it works. You would also see how it works by going through the exercises, by doing the exercises, and also writing out the codes of project. But the exercises are also coded along with you guys and well the project. And then in part two, here are the concepts we cover. We'll cover classes, objects, and enums, inheritance and polymorphisms, interfaces and abstract classes, dealing with exceptions, Java core APIs, and all. And then the last part, which is advanced topics, would have we also cover generics and collections, lambda expressions, strings fundamentals, strings advanced concept, and concurrency. So why learn Java then? Java is not just a programming language, Java is a tool that powers millions of applications. So why the wait? Why the wait? Dive in as we uncover the power of Java programming language. Whether you are just looking to build a career, or you're looking to build a career, or just satisfy your curiosity, the series has something for everyone. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you miss any update from us. Until then, bye bye and happy coding.